So today we got a new toy. The Flymore combo. I went with that remote. I don't like the one with the screen on it. That's my preference. I'd rather use my phone. But this is going to be the upgrade from Dees, the Air 2S, which is still a great drone. I taped off my phone number on there. Don't want that on the internet. That'd be silly. Alright, there's a million videos of this, what's inside these things, but let's have 1,000,001, because I don't care. You don't like it, don't watch it. I don't have a Chinese dart to use, so I had a Canadian, German, and a British. Thought I had a Chinese one, but I don't. I have to use the American flag. So, we're going to see what's in here. I mean, I already know what's in here, but why not put it on video? I got it on Amazon. I waited. Got it in 2 days. 12 months, same as cash, which is nice, which I'd rather do. Just less painful that way, my opinion. But who am I? I'm a nobody. So let's see what we got up in here. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Nice little pouch baggy thing here. It's no Coach or Louis Vuitton. That's pretty cool how that works. So, what we got? What we got? Yay, I love these things. They taste so good. Don't listen to that. It's delicious. Listen to that. It's not delicious. Okay, got the typical cable. Don't need this. Old iPhone. Never had one. Throw that away. Always used Android. So here we go. Got the C to C. See what I see? Got the... This will never be open. Unless that's a sticker. Then I'll want that. I'll find somewhere to put it. Ooh, the extra props, which is cool. Glad they do that. There's only a few times I actually replaced them. I only replaced it once on my Air 2S in over a year. And many flights later. Just because they pivot looser now. Like, they're better. They get a little binded. So, plus I had a clothesline. And it like damaged the blade on one of them, so I just put all new four new ones on. And I love the way these come off. They push, and I can't do it with one hand. Let's see. This tripod sucks. I should use my new one. Let's do a little spin. There we go. Don't fall. Okay, so this is just a little push and turn. Very convenient. No tools needed except for your hands. That's it. Back to the star of the show here. This is probably, yeah, it is the lenses. Right, it's going to be the filters, I mean, right? Maybe. Can't open this shit. There we go. Oh, alright, they're pretty cool looking. I never used the ND filters. Maybe I'll try. Okay, so yeah, sorry, but the props. A lot. It's cray, yo. That's good. We'll just toss them over there. Controller is going to be identical to the one I got. I know the other controller has a little extra wheel option and some extra buttons. I'd rather use this because there's no screen to break, and I could use my phone on it. I don't think, correct me if I'm wrong, oops, I don't think you could use the phone on the other one. If the screen don't work, can you use a phone on it? Because as far as I know, you can't. Can't phone home. Looks like short circuit, right? Just need the eyebrows. See it? Now put my other finger there. Can you see it? Got the USB cable there. That always, I don't feel like getting that out. Can I get that out? Yes, I can. God, it's stuck in there. Okay. That thing just makes it to the phone on my S24 or S22 Ultra. Yeah, so I think the other one has the extra wheel for the camera. This is for, what is it, the zoom, what do you call it? The camera going left to right, right? Or, no, what does it do again? I forget now. See, I sound stupid right now. But anyway, the other one has the extra wheelie thing to spin. So, but I like this remote better because I'd much rather use my phone because I could screen record with the phone. Because when I get the phone on here, I could do screen recording and using the microphone, and it's doing it at 1080p. I just my preference. That's just what I like. Don't judge me. Ooh, the batteries. Did they put one in the drone? Because there's only 2 in here. That's pretty silly. I guess they left one in the drone. I'm going to find out. These are just a lot bigger than my Air 2S. Let's see. Oh, I wouldn't say a lot bigger. It's just the placement's different. But it's heavier. More amperage. I know it's more flight time. Like I'm lucky if I get 27 minutes with the Air 2S. This is like 40 plus. So that's pretty good. Everything should be about half charge, right? Storage mode. Yeah, that's about right. So there's a different charger I'm going to order. Can charge all of them at the same time. I don't like this one at a time stuff, which is pretty silly. It's so dumb. Again, my opinion. Oh, I'm ripping the battery out. There's a little release button here. How did I even get them out without hitting the... I must have hit it by mistake with my finger before. Yeah, alright. That's funny. Okay, so now let's see. Just got to assume the third one's inside the drone. I'm surprised they did that. Yeah, they did. I can feel it's heavy. Why would they leave it in the drone? That's pretty silly. I never leave the batteries in the drone. To me, that's a no-no. No, 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 no. Always comes out. Yeah, they left it in there. You know, I don't want it accidentally turning on. Accident. Oops. Move this. This is a pretty nice pouch, by the way. I like this bag. Pretty cool. A little foam jammy in there. Any hidden compartments? Oh, I got the little shoulder strap. It's well made. Definitely well made. Does it smell good? It smells like COVID. That's a joke. Relax. So, okay, here's the 2. It's a little bigger. A lot bigger. Definitely deeper. So it's got more technology. Much bigger camera. Let's compare. This comes off like... There we go. I'm going to break it. You ready? I'm a man. I don't read instructions. I just do it. Tim Allen. There we go. There we go. Let's do this. Let's just rip it off. I don't think I broke it. That is a big camera. Compared to this. Yeah, that's pretty big. That's a big difference. So you got the telephoto lens. What the hell was that? So that's that. This comes out a little, oh yeah, right in the butt talks. So this has internal storage, which is nice. SD card goes somewhere. That's the USB. USB, man. Oh, and the quick share. I like the fact that the quick share. What do you call it? The quick. When you're sending the files back and forth to the phone, it goes much, much quicker. Oh, there's where the SD card goes. Because it went slow with the Air 2S, like 5 megabytes a second. So this is going to send it much, much quicker. That's going to be nice too. This remote, I think these buttons look different. And the color, might be the color. There's my old one. Yes, orange, not red. I knew that looked different. So that's the old one. New. Went with orange this time. Yeah, I knew something looked a little different. This gray is a different hue too, a little lighter, but this one's probably dirty and just discoloring. Well, the knob is black, not gray or silver. So that's that. I'm gonna be trying this thing out. soon. I gotta do my FAA registration thing on the website. Oh, that's why there's so many props. I gotta use some to put on the drone, I realized with a... That's why. But that's that, everyone. That's the madness. Let's add to the fun in NJ with the drones. Oh, I was on ultra wide. The colors look different. Who cares? So, time to have fun with the Air 3S. I'll have another video eventually of it flying, doing my screen recording. I'll figure out how that damn thing works and get this thing registered with the FAA before I even try to fly it. Swap them stickers over, get that one unbonded from my account, get that one on the account. You know the deal. Okay. Bye-bye for now. I'm just going to take this and put it back there. Damn it, I suck.